So here's how to fix automatic repair loop and startup repair in Windows 10 and Windows 11. So if you see a screen like this, you can simply click on Troubleshoot and then Advanced Options. And then first we're going to check if we have a system restore point to restore the system to a stable state. Click on System Restore. Then let's wait for it. Now, if there is no restore points available, we can cancel this and go back to the troubleshooting, advanced options, and then command prompt. So in this case, we will need to run a scan. So type sfc space /scan now to scan the system and potentially repair any corrupted files. And then let's wait for it to complete. And then what we can do next is perform a disk check by typing chkdsk space the disk name where Windows is installed, which is usually C, then space /F/R, then press enter and wait for it to scan. Now, once the scan is completed, we'll need to run a couple of commands to fix the boot record. So first we can type boot rec space and then /fix mbr, press enter. The second command is boot rec space /fix boot. Now we can skip this if it has access denied. Now we can exit the command line and then reboot the system. Now if you reboot the system and it still didn't work, you can also go back to the same menu here and click troubleshoot, and then instead you can reset the PC if you don't have anything to lose. And if you do have files that you want to keep, the second solution is to install another hard drive or add another hard drive to your PC and then remove the old one and install Windows again on the newly added hard drive. And then you can manually move any files you want from the other drive. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.